everyone, and welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share, guys, a review video for you. I'm reviewing these adorable little wooden boxes from a company called Little Wooden Box Shop on Instagram. I hope you enjoy. Guys, for the last few months I've discovered the most adorable little page on Instagram. It's called the Little Wooden Box Shop. And girls, if you love glam decor like me, you will absolutely fall in love with these adorable little boxes. As I'm all about supporting other people's creativity, what I loved about this company was these little boxes are handmade individually by a lady in the UK. Guys, these adorable little boxes are so well made. I was most impressed by their quality, and the lady Fiona is an absolute delight to deal with. Nothing was too much trouble. Now, to order one of these adorable little boxes, guys, all you need to do is check out Fiona's Facebook page or her Instagram page, which I'll leave linked down below. There is so many amazing styles to choose from, guys. She does Chanel, she does Victoria's Secret, she does Gucci, and she even does Ted Baker. Here I'm scrolling through her Instagram page, and there's so many adorable little boxes shaped like your favourite handbag. There's so many uses for these adorable little handbags, guys. You could use them for your makeup brushes, you could use them for your remote controls, or you could possibly use them for your favourite bunch of flowers. The possibilities are endless, and they'd make such an adorable gift idea. So if you're possibly looking for a wonderful gift idea for a special friend, or you might want one just for yourself, why not check out Little Wooden Box Shop? I'll leave the links to Facebook as well as her Instagram page down below. Just send Fiona a private message either on Facebook or on Instagram, and she'll get back to you with a price list and a cost of shipping to your area. And the best part of all, guys, is she ships worldwide, so anyone throughout the world could get one of their very own little boxes. Guys, I absolutely love my little Chanel bag here that I've put on my coffee table, and it now houses my remote controls, which always seem to go missing in our house. Guys, they would also look adorable in your home office with your collection of pens. I'm forever looking for my ruler or my scissors, and this would be a perfect storage solution in your home office. I've also decided that I could use these definitely in my beauty room, holding my makeup brushes as well as my headband. guys, these would also look adorable in a little girl's room. Imagine 3 of these lined up, guys, with the most adorable little flower collection on a little girl's windowsill. And if you want to glam things up in your bathroom, how adorable would these be if you added some crisp white hand towels for your guests? Again, guys, there are so many amazing designs to choose from, and I'm sure there'll be one that will definitely melt your heart. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll leave in the description box down below all the information you'll need to order one of these adorable little handbags, guys. You seriously will not be disappointed, and they'd make a wonderful addition to your glam home. Guys, I'm working on that living room makeover that I told you about, and it's definitely taking its toll, guys, but you are seeing a few little teasers in the background here of my video, and I'll be sharing with you very, very soon my living room transformation. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.